Hello Miracle family, hope you guys are good. Many of my friends, they asked me, even yesterday somebody asked me, Kareem, I'm in Uganda, I came back to Uganda, my ID has expired, I want a new visa. My brothers and sisters, if you had an Emirates ID, like a working visa in UAE for 2 years, and you didn't want to continue or whatever happened, and then you just left UAE, you came back, most of my African family tell their bosses that we are sick, our mother has passed away, our grandfather has passed away, we are going back to our country because it's very important, and you just make an excuse and you come back to your home country and now you don't want to go back. And you are waiting for your visa to expire. Believe me, the visa will expire, and so will your waiting. You will also expire waiting to go back. You will not go back. Why? Because your visa has to be cancelled in order for you to get a new visa. It doesn't matter you come back home, but it has to be cancelled from theirs in the system in order for you to get a new visa. Even you get a new passport made, doesn't matter you change your name, whatever you change when you reach in UAE, and even if you get a visa by somehow or by chance on a new passport or changing your name, whatever, but when you reach at the airport and when they go for your eye scan and fingerprints, they know who you are. So make sure when you are there, you solve your issues while you are in UAE. Please don't run away or take off and come back to your country and then decide to wait till your visa expires. Believe me, you're making a mistake. You'll never ever go back to UAE like that. So what you need to do when you're leaving UAE, you cancel. You might not want to talk to your boss or whatever, but just know if you leave like that, you're not going back. So it's better if you want to go back, stay in UAE and solve your issues while you are in UAE. Because once you're back, you want to get it cancelled, it will be nearly impossible for you to cancel. Your boss will not cancel even. Just remember that. Because you already left them with a lie. Now you want to go back. Believe me, you'll not be able to go back. So please don't do that. When you want to leave UAE, for whatever issues you are facing, make sure you resolve them while you are in UAE. Not when you have left. When you're left, just know it's a goodbye forever. So please share this video with your friends who have left UAE with their IDs still valid or maybe expired but not cancelled. Cancellation is a must and it should be done while you are in UAE. I repeated it very clearly. Cancellation is a must while you are in UAE, not outside UAE. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, much love, peace, and God bless Africa. One love.